Hello, in front of me I've got Sennheiser RS 165. In this video I'll show you how to connect these headphones to different sound sources. In the beginning, take a look at the back of your stand and now connect the aux cable to stand and then the second end of the cable connect to your sound source. Now take a look at the headphones. Right here we've got this button. Simply press and hold it for 2 seconds. And now the headphones are on. They will automatically switch to the sound source you've selected. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.